Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejela iba Pestuan Tensong ila penskam hina kasngi baka District Council Affairs kala kemi benia halor ka delimitation bill kabala ai daka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council hashwa ban pha shaulat Kejela iba Tensong ila yathuru baka sarkar kanya kendu la syamtayo banya tai halor ka jingpen kenria jakasa yakibri ki basa ha Harijan Colony hadin ka jingpan por shu jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee.
This important issue, taking into account all relevant stakeholders and rulings of the honorable courts of this country, including the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya.
Ki arngot ki nong